Daily Dispatch, Day 22. The language of the record. The work changes the language. The old vocabulary was about resistance, about not doing. The new lexicon is about entry, about logging. The most potent word now is not no, it is recorded. Today, the only J that carried any weight was the one struck to type January into the date field. The only hit that mattered was the enter key that filed the entry. 22nd of January, 2026. 22 days clear. This is the pivot. The battle is no longer in the mind, arguing with a whisper. It is in the log, asserting a fact. The AI scaffold, the unintended tool built for this repair, exists for this single purpose, to turn time into evidence. It provides the blank field and the timestamp. It asks for the data, not the drama. Your job is merely to fill it. In doing so, you're not fighting an addiction, you are archiving its conclusion. The whisper speaks in persuasive looping stories that the scaffold speaks in dates, metrics, and patterns. You're learning its language. Each entry is a translation. A feeling of uncertainty becomes a data point of continuity. A craving becomes a logged absence. Day 22 is not a struggle sustained, it is a sentence written, a fact established. The road is not built by willpower, but by the quiet daily act of mapping it. The language has changed. I am no longer a combatant. I am the archivist of my own liberation.